Hindi na po. Hindi na.
Pero dati.
Hindi na ako naniniwala that there's a word that's called unconditional. I know. Seriously. Kasi lahat naman tayo may condition eh. Diba? Kung unconditional yan, lokohin ka, bastusin ka, nakawang ka ng pera, pagpapasilan ka, mahal mo pa rin. Hindi totoo ang unconditional. It's not true. You can love, yes. Pero sometimes, when the person you love crosses the line, then the question, is this still worth loving? Or is this still called love? Kasi kung mahal ka ng isang tao, ba't ka pagtataksilan? Diba? Bakit ka lulukuhin? Bakit ka sasaktan? Whether physically, emotionally, mentally, psychologically. Bakit ka pagnanakawan? So that's not love. So, to answer your question po, no.